Let's get a check on the crypto market now. See, Bitcoins remained quite strong above that 33,800 level. Look at the color on the board there. We see it's just Bitcoin in red, and we have some other top cryptocurrencies, some other pockets of red right there. But green is the predominant color this morning there with, see Ethereum, major cryptocurrencies we track right there in the green with Solana, deep green, Link, deep green, and Atom there. So we're seeing just Bitcoin there slightly in the red, but red is the color there, even though it's 0.01% a marginal drop this morning. Let's look at the top cryptocurrencies we track now. We see the sentiment 66, greed, yeah. So yeah, traders are back to greed mode at this time, showing its risk on for investors right there in the crypto market. We see the top cryptocurrencies we tracked this morning. ATM, $34,347. Ethereum, $1,805. It was holding the $1,600 level for the longest time, but managed to break that and staying above it with bullish sentiment in the market. BNB not doing so bad, $227, up 0.79%. Cardano managed to break past that 26 cents level, 25, 26 cents, now at 30 cents, 2.84%. One of the big movers in the top 100 coins we track on coin market cap. And XRP trying to get to that 60 cent level, 3.87%, the biggest mover we have this morning. If we look at the top gainers now, we see the top gainers counter. We see who's topping that counter for the top gainers, one of the big cryptocurrencies on the top 100 coins that we track in the market. So that's how the top coins we track are doing right now. Let's bring in Solomon Amunde now, financial market analyst. Great to have you, Solomon. Good morning.
Good morning, Ladi. Good morning.
Yeah, so a popular analyst is predicting a mega bull run if Bitcoin breaks above the 36,000 level. What is he seeing here? What are the signs?
So basically, what traders are seeing on the charts is a golden cross that is forming. And this actually happens when the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average from below. This is what gives us what we refer to as a golden cross. And making use of past historical data, whenever this happens, we tend to see the price of Bitcoin surge to about 5 to 10%. So that's what we're expecting soon.
Yeah, quite big expectations there. And I'm guessing if it doesn't break that level, is it down from there?
Well, we can't really say it's going down from there because there's a huge liquidity around 36 to about 38K. So we're expecting Bitcoin to make a move to tap into that liquidity, after which we expect to see a huge dump down to about $8,000.
And a few days ago, we see MaestroBot was hacked, and today Unibot was hacked with over $600,000 stolen. What is really happening to the Telegram bot? And to educate our viewers that don't know about Telegram bots, refresh our mind. What are Telegram bots again?
So basically, Telegram bots are just applications running within your Telegram chat app, and it allows you to be able to conduct different transactions. In the crypto space, it allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies via on-chain transactions. There are also so many other stuff you can do with Telegram bots, but relative to crypto, it's basically trading, buying and selling. So in the case of the hack, MaestroBot experienced a hack last week, losing almost $600K. It wasn't the fault of the users. Basically, it was a smart contract bug and it was exploited. Now, Unibot is saying something similar. In the early hours of today, they saw one of the contracts they recently deployed over the weekend. It was actually exploited, a bug in it, a callback bug, and it allowed the exploiter to actually make away with over $560K. But currently, the issue has been fixed, and users making use of this bot have been advised to revoke access, or simply put, they can move the funds to another wallet. And also those that lost funds, they'll be compensated or refunded.
Yeah, definitely not a good time to lose funds in any investment. You know, with cost of living crisis, investors are already squeezed on all angles. But how would you advise, traders that want to trade around these bots? What's the best strategy?
So basically, the best strategy is use the bot as an alternative. Now, people are fond of making use of their wallet to hold all their funds. Ideally, what you're supposed to do is the funds you want to use to buy a token or sell a token should only be what you move to the bot. And once you've made profits, you move out the funds. So simply put, don't use the bolt as your actual wallet. Just make use of it temporarily to carry out transactions. And it's also advisable not to make use of bulk transactions. And most importantly, seek education and guidance from a mentor before you start trying to navigate how to make use of these bolts, because you can actually lose all your funds if you don't do it right. Very, very important.
And this is the final trading day of October. Historically, October is normally a bad month for U.S. stocks, and we've seen that play out this month. How do you see price action in October, and what are you seeing for November?
So October, we saw a breakout. Talking about Bitcoin, we saw a breakout, and we've moved from 26K to as much as 35, 36K. I see November as the month for consolidation. So I expect us to do some heavy, serious consolidation between the range of 34K and about 31K. Afterwards, I see the charts breaking down to about 25, 26K dollars per Bitcoin. So I would say November rather is the month for altcoins to start thriving. While for Bitcoin, we would see majorly consolidation and distribution in the month of November.
Looking at November, what trend do you think is going to rule in the month of November, and what kind of cryptocurrencies will profit from that trend?
Okay, so far so good. Altcoins haven't really rallied much in the month of October, especially DEXs. Looking at PancakeSwap, they burnt over 8,000 tokens within the last 48 hours, and they haven't moved an inch. It's still about $1.20. I'm expecting DEXs to lead the way in the month of November, the likes of PancakeSwap, Uniswap, BuySwap, and so many others. Then I'm also expecting real-world assets to start picking up steam, and some L2, looking at Arbitrum, Optimism, and so many other L2s out there. I'm looking at them making considerable gains in the month of November, talking about 30 to 50% profits in the month of November.
All right, definitely. We'll be looking out for how it plays out in November, talking about price action in the crypto market. Thank you so much, Solomon Amunde, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Larry.
And we've got a quick check on our top gainers this morning. We see Rune, $2.90, topping the counter, double-digit gain there, 18.59%. Solana also back on the top gainers counter. We've seen investors quite bullish on Solana at this point, $36.34, up 11.72%. And ROE, $5.76, 11.37%. Let's get a check on the top losers this morning. Let's see who's topping the losers counter. We see Render token topping the counter, 2.48%. Profit taken on that, down 3.98%. And Axie Infinity also on the top losers counter there, 2.07%. So that's how the market is looking today. We see it's still greed right here in the crypto space. And that's the show today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join us at 1:30 on Business Incorporated for more updates and developments in the world of business. And remember, you can watch this again on our YouTube channel. Just flip over to YouTube, search for Channels Television, and you can watch all our production. Thank you for watching. I'm Ladi Williams. Have a profitable day.